Hi there guys, I'm going to show you how to convert a addressable simplex pull station into a conventional one. And this rule also goes for most addressable pull stations, at least the older ones. So let's get started. Alrighty, so here's the back of this one. As you can see, it's conventional. There's no terminals or anything, as this one was previously addressable. You can see this one right here. This one is still addressable. You can see the entire module on the back of this right there. So the reason I'm making this video is because I noticed a lot of these come up on eBay, and I know a lot of you guys don't have the addressable panel for this, so it kind of renders it useless to some degree. Although it's not completely useless, as you can see here how I've made this one conventional. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Alright, so step one, you want to remove all 4 screws on this. Alright, so now that I got this off right here, you can see the actual circuit board itself for the addressable module. So the next step with this would just to be to take these wires off. If you don't care about this module, go ahead and just take them off right here. You're not going to use this, so you can just throw this away. As for this, now it's technically conventional. But the problem with this is you see these little, I don't know what you call these, standoffs or whatever you call them. You can see how they're sticking up like that. You have to have the actual Simplex back box in order for this to work. Well, one thing you can do is take these off, and it's pretty simple. All you need is a pair of channel locks, and you hit the end right here, and you just go back and forth. Comes right off. Alright, so now we got those off, you can see here, now it's just 2 simple wires. Now if you have a conventional panel, doesn't matter which one, you can just mount it right to, or wire it right to that panel. And by taking all of these off, now you don't have to worry about which back box you need. This will fit on a single gang back box now. So yeah, there you go.